Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins and spins for CoinMaster games. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Zaptweek and just scroll down and type CoinMaster and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and just click install now, and now we will wait to installing. So this is super easy mode. I test this many times and this is working perfectly. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, and now we're on the manual verifications tab, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free click go and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so we still have this message. So let's see. Verification complete. Thank you. Your content has been verified successfully. So next step, check your home screen. The app icon will be appear shortly. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.